What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Slingshots and Shenanigans. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take out our pretty standard setup, but we're going to try a different type of ammo. Huns Outdoors sent me a bean mold. So that's an 8mm by 11mm mold. And I'm going to pour some lead. And then I'm going to hit grouse in the head with that lead. Stay tuned. It's going to be a good one. But I got something today new in the mail from Huns Outdoors. Link in the description. And I'm pretty excited about this. This is Slingshot specific. This one here is 8x11 beans. See how we did. There we go. That looks like all 10 came out beautiful. This came out looking good. Real good. Nice and even, not too many wrinkles. My first impression is this is a winner. Huns Outdoors. Check the link in the description. This is a very good tool to have. And if you don't have a melting pot like I do, butane torch and a cast iron skillet with a ladle, and you can just ladle it in. Yeah, it'll work great. Make your own ammo. And before the safety police get on my case, I had both windows and doors wide open with a fan blowing in the back. So there's plenty of air movement so that I don't get poisoned. Thank you for being concerned about my safety. I take precautions. Haha! Haha! Oh, it's a nice grouse.
Where did you shoot him?
Right in the head.
Right in the head.
Yeah, right in the noggin. All right. Got her done. These 8x11 beans from Huns Outdoors from my new mold do the trick just right. Beautiful grouse, late season grouse. He's going to be very, very tasty. There's a better look at our ammo. Shot to the head, one hitter quitter. As you can see, there's substantial damage on that side. Beautiful male spruce grouse. Cherry slingshot with a birch palm swell. GZK green. 25-20 taper. Shooting lead ammo for the first time this season. We're back. We've got a beautiful grouse. A cherry slingshot frame with a birch palm swell, GZK green 25-20, shooting 8x11mm beans out of my new Huns Outdoors bean mold. They sent me for review. It's a great piece of kit, great tool, handy to be able to pour your own ammunition. And now that duck season's closed, I can hunt with lead. So it flies straight. It's about 70 grains. As you can see, it'll put a hurting on a grouse. So check the link in the description. If you're into pouring your own ammo, it's a great little tool to have. See you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share with like-minded individuals. You know the drill.